We are looking at how to pronounce both in Spanish and in English the name of this Venezuelan fashion designer known for, quote-unquote, exceptional personal style and for dressing various first ladies, including Michelle Obama and Melania Trump. How do you go about pronouncing her name? For reference, in Spanish, her name is normally pronounced as Carolina Herrera. Carolina Herrera. But in English, it is usually said as Carolina. Yes, because her name is of Spanish origin from Venezuela. Her name is to be pronounced Carolina, not Carolina. Carolina Herrera. Carolina Herrera is how it is said in English. Did you get it? Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the names of more fashion and luxury brand names, designer names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.